Hey, yo, back once again, YouTube. Who am I here with?
I'm Nene Lwandle Masego on TikTok. I'm Nene Masego on Instagram.
Okay, I'll just put them on the yeah, they'll just be on the screen. I'm Nene. What? Nene Masego.
I'm Nene _ Masego.
Okay, you heard that. Wena? Amanda. TikTok, YouTube. Oh, you don't have socials? Facebook? Okay, so I'm gonna ask you two simple questions, right? The first one, individually need to. Let's say you had, oh my God, car and shit. Okay, so like individually, both of y'all, let's say you had 1 million rands, Kule 1 million there, you decide to spend 1 rand. Yabo, how much would you have left? Someone got money? Shasha.
Yo, 900.
Yeah, try.
Okay. 990. 999.
Bruh.
999,999.
Okay, Wena.
Yeah.
What's your answer?
Yeah.
On a 1 million, you spend 1 rand. How much you got left?
Angaza kusiwa 999,000.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
100.
Oh, well, you correct. That's it. You smart. What grade did you in?
11.
All right, congrats. Wonderful.
Not a lek.
Oh, you got money, Mosh.
I don't like where this is going.
I gotta be your friend. Brewski, you, bruh, we go private school, which means you got money. I wanna be your friend. After this video, we are friends, man. We are friends. From today until I don't know when, we are friends. Yeah, I only wanna like be friends with ladies that have money and like, you feel me? So just like.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
Okay, so the second question is that let's say there were 3 birds on a tree, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then 2 fly away. How many birds left?
1.
Why 1?
2 fly away.
Yeah.
Then there's 1 left on the tree.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. Back the fuck up. I'll knock the fuck out you.
Okay, we have 3 birds. 2 fly away. How many birds left?
A1.
Why 1? Ufunde private school, don't disappoint me. Think about it.
Ima itini.
3 birds on a tree. 2 fly away. How many birds left?
Yeah, 1.
You sure?
Yeah.
Well, the answer is actually 2. It's about 3 birds, right? 2 fly away. How many birds left?
2.
Now you get it, right?
Yeah.
Straight up. I bet. So now we're just gonna like I fuck with your drip. You chilling. So top to bottom, you gotta like tell the people your fit like that was just chilling, and shit. People wanna know.
Okay.
You can even mention the bra if you want. Let me see. You even have there's a lot of fights.
No.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
No.
God, nice kid. Now I'm gonna kumnikeza. Okay.
Yeah.
It's only a game. Why you have to be mad?
So from here, it's Mr. Price.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And then.
You have to say the prizes though.
Yeah.
Prizes.
The prizes.
Yeah.
Yo, I can't remember.
All right.
I think it was 110.
Okay.
Yeah.
Both of them are the inner part, the inner thing. What's that?
No.
That's the sports bar, right?
The top.
Oh, the top.
And then the sports bra was 60 rand.
Oh.
And the jeans were 250 at legit.
Legit. I bet.
And then
Crocs.
them Crocs from Mr. Price.
Yeah. I see they're one of a kind. They're the special edition ones.
Yeah.
Straight out, she's just chilling. But you don't remember the prices.
No.
Oh, I bet.
I can't.
What do you wanna do? Top to bottom, just. Drip check. Drip check, Nyana. You didn't mention your hair though. You got.
Hair.
What are these?
Hair.
Knotless. What are they?
Knotless by Umama Latita.
Latita.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If
For my
you
700
come to my
million.
DMs, I'll
Oh yeah, on
text
IG.
you the number. Yeah.
Okay, I'ma just put her IG on the screen, then you'll check it out and shit like that.
Yeah.
Alright, babe, thanks for your time, ne? Shut up.
Anele.
Who?
Anele.
Anele. And
Tando.
Well, you got a nice voice though. Anyways, I bet I'm gonna ask you 2 simple questions, maybe 3. Right? You ready? Oh, okay. Let's say you had 1 million rands, right? Then on that 1 million, you decide to use 1 rand from that 1 million. How much you got left? Think about it.
99999.
Say it.
Sorry.
Say it in. Like, it's money. We're talking money. We're not talking numbers.
999. All I know is that 9 la pair.
Okay, yeah, about 9. Then, like, say it,
5.
like, in terms of
5.
money-wise.
I know I saw.
Don't want to help. Well, it's 999,999. Well, you had it correct, but you can't just say 999. It's money,
All I
pen.
know.
Okay, the other question is that, okay, both of y'all, let's say you were born 10 years ago. Wait, how old are you?
I'm 16.
You're 16. When?
16.
16. Okay, babe. Let's say you were born 10 years ago. How old would you be today?
6.
Are you stupid or something? I'm so stupid as a stupid does.
6.
You said what?
If you were born 10 years ago,
10 years ago.
yeah, how old would you be today?
10.
When?
I think 9.
Why 9?
Angazi ukuthi why nami angina reason.
It's just 9.
Yeah, just 9.
I know, yeah, you got it correct. It's actually 10.
Yeah.
Straight up. I bet. So, like, you wanna, like, say your IGs, Facebook, whatsoever? You don't have IG?
No, I only have a TikTok. It's
What's your?
Mbali Tando.
It's what?
Mbali Tando.
Balitando. Yours?
Angina next.
Facebook? Nothing?
Okay, on Facebook it's Milisu Tando Mkhulise.
Okay, I'll just, like, put them on the screen and thank you for your time, man. Back once again. Who am I here with?
Little.
Who?
Little.
Little. She's low-key shy. Are you camera shy or or you low? You chill? You're a chill guy, I bet. Anyways, I'm gonna ask her 2 simple questions, right? Let's say you as an individual, you had a chance to hold 1 million rands, right? Then you decide to spend 1 rand from the 1 million. How much do you have left? You gotta like upper your voice a little bit. Okay, but you can last. How much you got left? From 1 million rands, then you decide to spend just 1 rand from that money. Oh, it's money math. Simple but tricky. Just think about it. Okay, it's more like 1 million minus 1.
9 something.
Yeah?
9 something.
Why 9 something?
But
You must say it like in the form, the way it has to be. It's 999,999. Okay, I paid the last one. How old are you right now? 21. Oh, I fresh. So if you were born 10 years ago, how old would you be today?
Oh. Oh, guys,
You would be 10. Actually, let's say you were 10 years, a decade ago. Very simple but tricky though. Okay, like can you like shout out your IG, TikTok, whatsoever, where people can find you, like your handle?
I'm not TikTok,
IG?
Facebook.
Okay, username? Like, do you do content, music, whatsoever, or is just in jail? Or sorry, my fans can feel free to text you just for fun. Okay, I bet. Thanks for your time, man. Hey, what do you do, YouTube? Back again. Who am I here with?
With Tando Mills.
Tando what?
Tando Mills.
Tando Mills. You feel me? So, like, what do you do? Music, content?
Actually, I do modeling, like online modeling.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What's your handle? Like IG, Facebook?
Oh, my handle is like Tando Mills. called
Oh, yeah.
Thunder Mills.
I bet you'll make sure you check him out and shit. Like you professional, right?
No, I'm still trying, dog.
Still trying.
I'm still on the process.
I bet. Keep up the grind. I bet. So I'm gonna ask him a simple question. Let's say there were 3 birds in a tree, right? Then 2 fly away. How many birds left?
3 birds on a tree.
Yeah, 2 fly away. How many birds left?
Probably like 1, dog.
1.
Yeah.
You sure? Think about it.
Nah, 3.
Why 3 though?
Cause like they left.
No, shit is like this. Okay, back. Kunenyo nezi 3. Ezi 2 ziyavaya. Kambe ngaki. So I understand. The answer is 2. You know why? 3 birds. 2 fly away. How many birds left?
Dog, like I'm high, Joe.
You're high. I bet mice if you know you high.
Yeah, skip that question.
Skip that one. Okay, the second question is that wait, which was the first question that I asked? Okay, I asked the 3 birds one, right? Okay, you yourself individually, if you were born 10 years ago, how old would you be today?
10 years ago.
Like this year, how old is you?
I'm 20 this year.
You're 20?
Yeah.
Okay, if you were born 10 years ago, how old would you be today?
Nigga. Question. I'll be like 9 years.
9 years?
Yeah.
Now you high as fuck. The answer is actually 10, because if you were born 10 years ago, then today you will be 10, right?
Okay, dog.
I bet mine's not on. Okay, let me not ask.
Look, I wasn't expecting these questions.
Straight up.
Yeah.
Okay, anyways, I'm gonna put your IG down there, Facebook and shit like that. So like from the top to bottom, the people wanna know. I see you tripped out, you just chilling. Like top to bottom, you tell them where you cooked it, price and shit like that. Starting from the top.
From the top, the head from like sports scene.
Yes sir.
I forgot the price because I bought them Mr. Bunch.
Oh yeah.
Like,
big boy business.
Yeah, then the shades from, I don't know, like gift from my friend.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, then the t-shirt. Pro Star, I forgot from where. I just buy things everywhere.
Oh yeah.
Then
Straight up.
The trousers, the cargos are from my sister. Actually gave me as a gift.
Oh yeah.
Then the tie, I don't know. I just thought of.
Hey, Mandam's tripping. Mandam got the tires though. Belt, nigga. You feel me?
Oh my.
You know.
Yeah.
Then the socks from sports scene. I don't know price.
Yeah.
I forgot, dog.
I know those Pumas probably bought my 2 blocks, 3 blocks.
Yeah,
those are big boy business.
Yeah, actually these Pumas are like 1.8.
Straight up.
Yeah.
Straight up. At least like you've kept it real. You feel me?
And the bag.
Yeah.
I got the bag from like sports scene. It's red
RPT.
Pad. Yeah, it's red pad.
Yeah.
And the watch.
Straight up.
It's gift.
At least you. What I like about this nigga, he's honest as fuck. He ain't say like, some of them niggas be wearing Gucci's, then they be like 10 bucks, 5 bucks. I'm like, nigga, what the fuck? Calm down, Brody. Calm down. Them niggas be faking and shit.
That one there was a violation. Personally, I wouldn't have it.
What you got to say like for the people who be wearing fake shit and stuff, trying to impress Hans?
I would say like let them do their things. You know, I'm not like into that.
Oh, you don't charge a shit?
I don't charge. I'm not God, dog.
You're not God. You know what I mean? I say, man, stop the cap, nigga. Put them fucking Gucci shorts, Gucci whatsoever's on. Put them down, nigga. Relax. Wear what you afford. You feel me? Don't fake it till you make it. Just do what you gotta do. I be straight up. Thanks, my G. Damn, man. Pull up. Wait, hold on. Let me stand the fuck up. Tell me where the quality good at. It's not here. Or am I looking zesty? It's not.
Nah, I'm fine. Yeah.
It's not here.
Uh-huh. Let
me just put on this shit right here. I bet everybody that's the end of the video. If you like this video and reached this far, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Especially I'm begging for your sub, guys. I just need young 5k subs. 5k subs. We're aiming for 10k, but a young 5k nyana, you feel me? I don't know when I drop this video, I don't know if it's gonna be a whole part or it's gonna be part 1 and part 2 or shit like that. But this is the end of the first part if it's part 1, or this is the end of the video if it's gonna be a whole. I haven't decided because I gotta edit and all that. So shout out for watching until this end. I love you. Also like my TikTok, IG. I don't have Facebook yet, but I do have it, but I don't use it like that. But yeah, just, you feel me? Just do what you do best, and I'll keep doing what I do best. We out.
Stupid.